Hi all. Today I am going to make a Mickey Mouse cape for 1 to 2 years old toddlers. Before I start, just like and subscribe my channel. It's very important. So before I forgot to tell you to like and subscribe my channel, just go and touch the bell button and so that you all being notified when I upload a video in future. For making a cape of Mickey Mouse, we just required black color acrylic yarn. Here I'm using 3 ply yarn. Its thickness is about you can see this much of thickness. So and hook, it's a pony hook of 14G size, you can see, and or you can say it 2 mm thickness of hook. So to start, just made a magic loop here like this and pull through the loop and make 3 chains. Just be careful that you can hold the loop properly like this. Put the finger inside the loop like this and make 3 chain. 1 2 3, and then I have to make 20 double crochet stitches. This is it. Now you can see I'm just made 20 double crochet stitches here. Now pull carefully the tail like this so that no gap will be there in the middle. Now put your hook inside the initially we made 3 chains now, then put your hook inside the top third chain like this and pull through the thread and make a slip knot like this. So to fix this tail, just pull through it and pull through it like this. So we going to fix the tail, otherwise it might lose in future. Like this, make a knot here so it will be fixed like this. We can cut the thread, but generally I crochet this along with the thread, so it kind of invisible. Now put your hook inside the gap like this and pull the thread and make 3 chains. Now we're going to make these double crochet stitches all around the circle, but every third stitch, after every third stitch we'll double stitch the third one. That means in the third gap we'll make 2 double crochet stitches so that the circle will form evenly, and otherwise it will like a bowl shape. So it will so I will make every third stitch with a double stitches like this. Yeah, 1 and 2 stitches in a single hole. So that it will form a uniform circle. third one. You can see it's about to end the circle. Now with the slip knot we will end the row. Here we complete the circle. Here just pull a little bit. Likewise we'll going to make another row here, and again we'll stitch every 3 to 4. After every 3 to 4 stitches we'll double cross. Now you can see I already made 6th row from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What I done here is that every 4 to 6 4 to 3 to 4 stitches I just crochet 2 double crochet stitches in a single line. Okay, but we have to remember that the double stitch will not appear on the double stitch in the previous row, otherwise it will look like another design also. So I'm not getting that. So just uniformity should be maintained to make a circle like this. 4 more rows should be there, so that the actual like this 4 to 5 row I have to make here. And again the same pattern will be there, like 3 chains, then in between 2 stitches the double crochet stitch, then here I am taking 2 stitches together, then again single stitches of double crochet stitch. Okay, now we have to make 4 more such rows. Like I can see I already done 10 rows here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now it will look like this after folding. This is the upper portion of the head, and then we're now going to just simply double crochet stitch will be there. No additional stitches will be there. In each gap there will be a single double crochet stitch like this. Like this I have to make more 5 to 7 rows, then I will show you what happened next. Here you can see I'm just made the cap. After 10th row no further extension will be there, so only the double crochet stitches will be made. And I after 10th row here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, after 10th I just made 8 more rows here without any extension. So it's like consecutively they are placed, you can see. And now we'll go to make the ears. That will attach here like this. 2 circles will be made to attach edge ears. So for that we'll make a magic loop like this and make 20 double crochet stitches like this. 3 chains, and then 1 2 3, 18, 19, and here is 20th. Just pull this line like this and it will attached, just leaving no hole. Now in the third chain that we have made previously with the slip knot, so that the attachment will be strong and fixed. If you want, you can cut this thread, but what I do generally, I stitch along with the two threads together, so it will quite up invisible. 1, 2, and 3, and then just in between two stitches I'm putting the hook and making the first row. And as I told before, to make a circle we have to increase the stitches, so after 3 stitch I'm increasing it with double stitches in a single hole or gap. Likewise we have to make 3 rows here. Here I'm just completed the first row, look at it, and thus we have to make two more rows here, a bigger circle. You can see I just made that circle here, and it will be attached here like this. With the help of needle you can attach here, and one more circle like this for making the ear I have to make and attach here. Now you can see I just made the whole circle here. Like this I have to make 2 circles. Now why I keep this thread, because it will help to stitch the 2 ears along with the cap like this. So we required some pin to fix the ear in an exact position, so that it will help us to fix it properly. Just pin it here. Back side, just pin it so I can recognize the place. Okay, now the second one exactly here. Okay, you can see the ears are got its place. Now we required a crochet needle like this, and put the thread. And just sew it. Now remove the pin and just sew it. There is black color, it is difficult to recognize where it's starting, where it's ending, but you can manage it. Okay, that is enough. Okay. Now we'll just make a knot and Just cut the thread. Now next, the second one. Again. See, just now Mickey Mouse cape is ready.